Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to enable vibrant visuals on your Minecraft Bedrock. Now let's get right into it and how to enable your vibrant visuals on your Minecraft Bedrock. So first of all, what is vibrant visuals? So it is part of Minecraft's updated graphics settings, which is the Bedrock 1.21 Plus. It boosts color saturation, adds sharper contrast, and makes blocks, skies, and biomes appear more vivid, almost like built-in shaders. So, for PCs or Windows, here's how to do it. You wanna first launch your Minecraft Bedrock, and then from your main menu, go to your settings, scroll down to the video settings, look for graphics, then tap in Vibrant Visual and toggle on. Then you wanna restart your world to apply changes. Next is on your console. So either your Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch. You want to open your Minecraft, head into settings, just like what we did, and then video. And then under graphics, you want to find vibrant visuals and you want to turn it on and refresh the game just like the what we did on the PC one. And lastly, for mobile or iOS and Android Pocket Edition, you want to open your Minecraft app and tap in settings. Navigate to video and scroll down to graphics and then toggle vibrant visuals to on. Reopen your world to see the enhanced visuals. And that's it on how to enable visuals or vibrant visuals in Minecraft Bedrock.